Hello, friends. Do you know what day it is today? Let's figure it out together. Can you look on the board and find the last shape that we did in our pattern? The last shape will help us to know what day was yesterday. And when we know what yesterday was, then we can find out what today is. Which shape is the last pattern? Did you see the red heart? The red heart was the last shape in our pattern. So yesterday was Sunday, February 21st, 2021. So this was yesterday. We're going to move one square over to the right because we always read left to right, and this is going to be today. So we are going to put in our pattern for today so that when we are doing our calendar, we know which square to come back to for today. So what do you think is our shape for today? What's your best guess? Let's go back to the beginning and do our pattern together and see if we're correct. Are you ready? Red heart, blue rhombus, 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 red heart, blue rhombus. Did you say blue rhombus? It's also called a diamond. So if you said diamond, that's okay too. We are just practicing it by saying rhombus in our pattern so that we can remember in our minds that it is also called a rhombus. It's a special shape that has two names. So you can practice making your shape on your paper or your calendar today, or you can draw it in the air with your hand while I'm drawing it on our calendar. Are you ready? Let's start up at the top. We're going to go to the left, down on an angle. Then we're going to go down to the right on an angle, down or up to the right on an angle, and then up to the top. And then we can just color that in. And if you don't want to put a shape on your calendar, that's okay as well. Or some people might like to cross out the day once they've gone through it. Any of those is okay. So now that we know where we are today, we need to figure out what today was. And we said yesterday was Sunday. So today is Monday. Look at all these days of the week. Do you see how many there are? Let's count them together. Practice with me. Even if you don't know, we'll get good at it together. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 days in the week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Good job. Thank you for saying that with me. It's much more fun when we do it together. So Monday starts with a capital M. Monday is the name of the day. So any name always starts with a capital letter. So today is capital M. M sounds like muffins or marvelous. M-O-N-D-A-Y. Monday. Monday. And we can put that into our sentence. And our sentence begins with today is Monday. So we're going to put a capital M, O-N-D-A-Y, and then a comma. And that comma reminds us to pause before we say our next word. And our next word is going to be the month. And do you remember how many months are in a year? Let's count them together and see if our guess is correct. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Are you ready to say the names with me? Here we go. January, February, March, and April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Good job. Now, do you know what month it is today? It's the second month of the year. Can you see it up here? January is the first month, and then February. So we're going to put February at the top of the calendar so we always know what month it is. And February starts with a capital F, and it sounds like like fun or fabulous or French toast. So capital F because it's the name of the month. F-E-B-R-U-A-R-Y. February. February. And we can put that into our sentence. Today is Monday, comma. February is a capital F because it's the name of our month. So F-E-B-R-U-A-R-Y. And next we need to put in the number. What do you think the number is today? Yesterday was 21. So today would be, I hear some good guesses. Let's see if you're correct. We'll go back to the beginning and we'll count all of the days we've had so far. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. Did you guess 22? Good guessing. You can practice on your paper or on your calendar, or you can practice in the air if you don't have a paper to practice on. We're going to make 2 digits, a 2 and a 2. So we're going to start up at the top and make a curve, and then start coming down on an angle to the left, and then make a line across the bottom. And we're going to do that exact same shape over here. Up, curving, then come down to the left, and then a straight line across. A 2 and a 2 make 22. And when we put it into the calendar, we say 22nd. So when we're counting, we say 22. But when we're talking about the calendar and the date, we say it's the 22nd. Before we put our number in our sentence, let's count backwards from 22. Are you ready? 22, 21, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, blast off! So we can put that into our sentence. Today is Monday, comma, February 22nd. So start up at the top, make a 2 and another 2, and then another comma. And this comma reminds us to pause before we say the year. And the year is 2021, or you can say 2021. Let's put the year into our sentence. Today is Monday, comma, February 22nd, comma, 2021, and then a period. And that period tells us to stop. That's the end of our sentence. Can you say the whole sentence with me together? Today is Monday, February 22nd, 2021. Good job. Thank you for saying that with me. Did you have a look outside to see what the weather is like today where you live? I looked outside today where I live. Yesterday it was partly cloudy, partly sunny. Do you think it's partly sunny, partly cloudy here today again? Not quite. It's close though. What about cloudy? Is it cloudy where you live? Maybe no sunshine at all today? Maybe the clouds are raining? It's not raining here today. It's not snowing either. Is it snowing where you live? Today we are sunny. Lots of sunshine. It's still very cold. I still have to wear a toque and a jacket and mittens and boots. It's still very cold, but it's definitely sunny. So will you help me put it into our weather chart? So if we have a look here, sunny is the first one on our weather chart, so we don't have to look very far. So let's have a look. There's already some tally marks here. Can we count them up and see how many there are? Do you remember what this means when we have this many tally marks and a line through them? Let's count and see how much that is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So whenever we see the tally marks in a group like this, we know that that's a 5. So we've got 5, 6, 7. 5 plus 2 equals 7. And we're going to put one more. You can do it in the air or on your paper. Put it at the top and strike it down. So we had 7. Then we added one more. What's 7 plus 1? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We've had 8 sunny days so far. 8 sunny days is great, even though it's very cold. I'm very thankful that it's sunny out. Next, we can do our agenda. And yesterday I wanted to go to the post office to mail a letter, and I did that. And then today I am going to bake some muffins. Let's start with the date. So today is Monday, so it's a capital M because it's the day, name of the day, M-O-N-D-A-Y, and then a comma, February, capital F-E-B-R-U-A-R-Y. And it's the 22nd, so a 2 and a 2, comma, and I ran out of room, so I'm going to come down below and put 2021 because it's 2021. Then I'm going to practice making my letters all the way up to 22 because I want to practice making my letters every day so I get really good at it. You can practice on your paper or you can say them out loud with me. Both ways are great ways to practice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I ran out of room, so I'm going to come down and go back to the beginning here. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. I ran out of room, so I'm going to come back down and go over here onto my third line, 22. And it is sunny out today, so we're going to put a sunshine on our agenda. And today, I think you may have heard me, I said I was going to make muffins. So let's do my muffin cup here. And today I think I'm going to make bran muffins. Do you like bran muffins? I like my bran muffins with raisins in them. So I'm just going to color my muffin top brown. And I'm going to put some little black marks in. I love raisins. Do you like raisins? And my kind thing to do today is I'm going to share my muffins. I'm going to share them with the people that live with me, and I'm going to take a couple over to my neighbor and share with my neighbor as well. It's nice to share. So next I'm going to put my name at the bottom because I'm going to practice my name every day so I get really good at it. It's a capital C-E-L-Y-N-N-E. And if you don't know how to do all of your letters to make these words, just practice doing one letter every day. We've been doing U for the last couple of days, but now let's do an A. Do you know how to make an A? We will start by putting our crayon to the top here, or you can do it with your finger up at the top. Just do it in the air. Start at the top and go down on an angle. Then we're going to go back up to the top and go down on an angle the other way. And then we're going to cross the two right there. That is an uppercase A or a big A. So we're going to do it one more time. Do it with me. Come down. Then let's go back up to the top and come down again. And then go across the middle like that. Next, we're going to make a lowercase a. And a lowercase a is half the size. So I'm just going to put some dots here so that we can have an imaginary line. And I'm going to put a line here so that we know where the line is so we can keep them on the same row. And we're going to make a circle. So just start here, make a circle. Go all the way around. And then put a line down like that. That is an A. Ready? Let's do it one more time. Make a circle and then a letter A, or a line for the letter A. Good job. If you practice making your letters every day, eventually you'll be able to make all of them, and you'll be able to print all the letters in the alphabet and make all kinds of words. So yesterday I was kind of nervous, but today, let's see, am I still nervous? I had lots of people wave at me when I went for my walk to the post office, and lots of people said hi back. So that feels really good, and it helps me to learn that I don't have to be nervous when I'm waving at people or talking to new people. So let's see, am I sad today? Are you sad today? It's okay to feel sad. If you're feeling sad, you can even talk to somebody about it, maybe tell them why you're feeling sad. That's a good way to deal with that. What about feeling happy? Are you happy today? Content? Peaceful? Maybe relaxed? What about excited? Are you excited today? I don't think I'm excited, but I'm not angry either. Are you angry today? It's all right to be angry. Sometimes things happen for us to be angry, and that's okay. I think I am happy today. I'm going to make some delicious muffins, and I'm going to share them with my loved ones and my neighbor. So I hope you find something kind to do today. Maybe share something if you're able to make some muffins or cookies. And if not, what else can you share? Maybe when you're having snack, you can share some of your snack with your grown-up or your sibling or a friend. Anything that you can share is being kind. So I hope you find something wonderful to do today, and we'll see you again tomorrow. Bye-bye, friends. Click the like button and select subscribe so you don't miss out on our future videos.